Ever heard the saying, insurance is a waste of money? Well, we're here to challenge that notion and unveil the truth behind some of the most common insurance myths. You see, insurance is a world full of misconceptions, and these can often lead to poor financial decisions. Over the course of this video, we'll debunk 3 major insurance myths that have been floating around for quite some time. Firstly, we'll tackle the idea that insurance is a waste of money, a belief that has deterred many from investing in their future security. Secondly, we'll confront the myth that insurance isn't necessary for young and healthy individuals. And finally, we'll take on the misconception that the minimum coverage is enough. These myths, while seemingly harmless, can have significant implications on your financial health and overall well-being. So, buckle up and get ready for a reality check as we shatter these myths to pieces. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these myths and reveal the truth behind them. Many believe that insurance is a waste of money. Is that so? This myth is grounded in the idea that insurance premiums are an unnecessary expense, especially when no claims are made. But let's take a step back and examine the real purpose of insurance. It's not just about recouping losses, it's about securing peace of mind. Insurance acts as a safety net, protecting you from unforeseen financial burdens. It's the umbrella you carry on a clear day, just in case it rains. Financial experts often advocate insurance as a sound decision, as it mitigates risk and provides security. In essence, it's a small price to pay for the assurance that you won't be left in the lurch should the unexpected happen. So it's not about wasting money, it's about investing in your financial stability and peace of mind. So the next time someone tells you insurance is a waste of money, think again. Some think that if they're young and healthy, they don't need insurance. What's your take on this? This myth is quite prevalent, and it's easy to see why. When you're in the prime of your life, dealing with health complications or accidents seems like a distant concern. But let's unpack this myth. Insurance isn't just about the here and now. It's a safety net for the unforeseeable future. No one has a crystal ball to predict what's around the corner. Even the healthiest individuals can find themselves in unforeseen situations. And it's not just about health. It's about life and all its unpredictability. Experts in the field agree. According to them, the best time to get insured is when you're young and healthy. Why? Because premiums are often lower, and you can secure comprehensive coverage. Plus, it gives you peace of mind knowing you're protected. Remember, insurance is not about how healthy you are today, but about protecting your future. A common belief is that the minimum coverage is enough. But is it really? This myth is prevalent largely due to an understandable desire to save money, coupled with a lack of understanding about what insurance actually covers. It's easy to assume that if it's legally required, it must be sufficient, right? But here's the reality check. Minimum coverage often only covers liability. This means, if you're at fault in an accident, your insurance would cover the other party's expenses. But what about yours? Experts in the field strongly advise against relying solely on minimum coverage. They highlight potential risks like high out-of-pocket costs in case of an accident, or insufficient coverage if you're hit by an uninsured driver. There's also the risk of losing assets if you're sued for damages exceeding your coverage limit. So while it might seem like you're saving money in the short term, the potential financial risks can be far greater. Bottom line, minimum coverage might not be enough to protect you from financial calamity. We've unraveled some common insurance myths today. We've debunked the myth that insurance is a waste of money, revealing instead that it's a crucial financial safety net. We've also dispelled the misconception that insurance isn't necessary for young and healthy individuals. In reality, the unpredictable nature of life makes insurance a smart choice for everyone, regardless of age or health status. We've also addressed the myth that minimum coverage is enough. While it may seem cost-effective initially, minimum coverage can often leave you underinsured and financially vulnerable in the event of a significant loss. The truths unveiled today underscore the importance of understanding the ins and outs of insurance. It's more than just a piece of paper or a monthly expense. It's a tool for financial protection and peace of mind. Making informed decisions about your insurance coverage can save you from potential financial hardships. So before you make any assumptions about insurance, ensure you have the facts. Remember, knowledge is power.